Today we're going to cover some key questions that customers ask before they start trying our software. We're happy you're here, and you might have some questions still before you want to try the software, and it's totally fine. You might be borderline, you're on the fence, and you have these burning questions that you want to be answered. And that's what this video is for. We're going to answer those questions that need to be answered. Check it out. Yes, your data is safe and secure. BQool is required to abide by Amazon policies. BQool is part of the invite-only Amazon Marketplace Development Council. We are regularly audited by Amazon and fully compliant with Amazon's regulations. BQool is also a member of the Amazon Solutions Partner Network to ensure you the highest security standards. BQool never sells your data. We also store your data securely using Amazon servers. We are a featured partner on the AWS website. Your data is fully secure and encrypted. We're fully compliant with Amazon's guidelines. BQool is one of the earliest pioneers of Amazon third-party solution providers. The company was founded in 2011 and continues to thrive. We have lots of happy customers. BQool has a proven track record of over 4.5 ratings on Trustpilot with hundreds of reviews. You can go to Trustpilot and other review sites to see our latest reviews and reputation. We also have many customers who have a great experience using BQool. This question really comes down to whether it's worth investing in BQool. Will you get better return on your investment? Our answer is yes. First, we offer you a fully functional 14-day free trial. No credit card is needed, so you can really see the results before you decide to use the software. Second, BQool is scalable, just like your Amazon business. It offers dedicated solutions to your different needs. Whether you're just starting out or you're already an experienced 7- or 8-figure Amazon seller, you only pay for what you need for your business. Third, BQool is also built so it helps automate many of the time-consuming manual tasks, so you can invest more time into the high-value task of your business. Finally, BQool continues to be updated so that you'll be using the latest software for your subscription. When evaluating using new software, this is one of the most important questions you need to consider. What happens after your purchase? What level of support will you receive? BQool customers get a wide range of support options. We have a large knowledge base where you can easily find answers. Within our software, we also have a Learn More button with video training for you to use our tools. We also offer instant live chat support, so it's really easy. We also have Facebook group to premium web conference and phone support. We also have a dedicated videos on YouTube for you to learn Amazon tips and educate you on how to maximize your investment. The last step you can do, which is really simple, is take a screenshot of your trouble and send it to support@bqool.com, and our support team will get back to you. I think the number one reason is because of the results. It has worked for many happy customers. Second, BQool has been in the Amazon repricing business for more than 10 years as one of the pioneers in the industry. Third, BQool has a large number of in-house AI engineers. Fourth, BQool is part of invite-only Amazon Marketplace Development Council, and we continue to update our software. These are some of the most common questions that we get asked. We hope you enjoy learning about BQool. If you have other questions that you may have, put them in the comments below and we'll love to get to them. This really helps us developing new content and videos for you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great tips and knowledge about the Amazon business.